good to live in a polished house.
The place looks amazing.
I have the dream job of being a professional organizer.
Have a seat.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I am ready!
Some of the furniture is yours, some of it is new, some of it's been revamped a little bit. Right?
Wow, Robert, they came out amazing.
Are you excited?
Wow, look at that.
We're the Douglas family, and we're solar powered!
These men and women suit up when called to save lives. Designing Spaces is making over this fire station in Lighthouse Point, Florida.
This is going to be great.
Being able to go out in our backyard and do it all the time was great because they have a ton of energy and it's a fantastic way to get them ready for bed.
The moment has arrived. The big reveal is about to happen.
You guys ready?
It looks so much better.
Open your eyes.
All right, are you guys ready to see the bathroom?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Oh, so pretty.
Yeah, this is awesome.
This doesn't even look like our house. It's really beautiful.
Well, come on over here and take a look at your...
It was just amazing.
You have done more for us than has ever been done before.
Thank you for all of your help on this.
It looks completely transformed.
This is one of the very rare moments that we can give a gift of joy. That's very, very special.